Hey YouTube, welcome back to my channel. We're in the garden this afternoon to finish doing the planting of the circa cultivation plugs that we did in the previous video. Today we're going to plant some peppers and the remaining lettuce. Let's get started. So we're here in Pepper Row, and the first one that we are going to plant here is a habanero. If I can ever get it out. Okay, we got it out. And we're going to bury the plug, same as we did with the tomatoes and lettuce in the previous video. And we're going to make sure the water is turned on or opened up. And next we're going to put our our label in. And we'll put that one there. And that's pepper number one. The next one we're going to do is a jalapeno. Okay, the next one we're going to do is a jalapeno, and we're going to put it in this one. And same procedure as before. We're going to bury the plug, backfill, press down, make sure that the water source is turned on, and stick it in. And let's put our jalapeno label in. Put that one there. And the last one I think that I have is a Thai chili. And we're going to put the label in and go down to the other end and get the pepper. And put a hole, place it in it, backfill, make sure the water source is on, and press it down. Okay, and those are the peppers. I'll meet you over at the raised bed for the lettuce. We're here at this bed. Originally, my idea was to put some tomatoes in it, but I do not want to waste the lettuce that we have here. So I'll figure out something to do with the tomatoes later. Right now, we're going to plant the lettuce. And we have 2 Bibb and 2 leaf lettuce. So we're going to put the Bibb here. And we're going to put another one here. And we're going to put our label in. And we'll put that here. And we'll move down to this end and put the leaf lettuce in. We'll put one here. We'll put one here. And we'll put one here. And then we'll cover everything up. And we'll put our label here. And just like that there, we have 5 lettuce planted in this bed to go along with the 4 peppers that we planted. We'll turn on the drip system and let them get a nice long drink. So I want to thank you for coming along with me while we did this really quick video. We planted some lettuce and some hot peppers. And off camera, we also did a tomatillo. So that is my first time growing one of those. So I'm not sure what to look for or anything, but I'm excited about growing it. If you enjoyed the video, as always, hit the like button, leave me a message and the notification bell, and I will be sure to respond to you. If you haven't subscribed to my channel, take a moment to consider doing so. I can grow a lot of vegetables and fruit by myself, but I cannot grow the channel without your help. If you do decide to subscribe, don't forget to hit the like button and the notification bell all, so you'll be notified whenever I upload new content. Chances are, if you like it, your family and friends will also. So until next time, always remember to give the thanks to God. Without them, we are nothing. Stay blessed, stay strong, and grow, grow, grow.